I recently got the Trendy Queen Women's Zip-Up Hoodie. The oversized fit is super comfortable, giving it a laid-back yet trendy look. The fleece lining is soft and keeps me warm on chilly days, but it's still lightweight enough for layering. The zip-up design makes it easy to throw on, and the hood adds extra warmth and style. It's perfect for casual outings, lounging at home, or even running errands. I love pairing it with jeans or leggings for a cute and cozy fall outfit. If you're looking for a stylish and comfy hoodie for fall or winter, this one is definitely worth adding to your wardrobe. It's fashionable, functional, and just the right amount of oversized. This hoodie is cozy and stylish for cooler weather. I hope this review helps.